Good morning, guys. It's 6:30 a.m. I woke up as per schedule. Usually I wake up around 8 o'clock. 5 o'clock I wake up to feed the baby, and then we sleep till about 7:38. But today I had a lot of work to do. I wanted to just, get back to my work schedule, film, because I'll be traveling very soon. So I just want to get the videos rolling for YouTube. And I made myself a nice cup of chai. Okay, so I'm just going to sip that and talk to you guys. I wanted to take you through this brand that I spoke about in my monthly favorites. I think this was in Jan monthly favorite. I spoke about this brand called Urbana Superfood. Now, I mentioned about their mustard seed oil, and after that video, many of you went and bought it, and you completely agree with me that it was the best mustard oil that you have ever tried. So after that video, the brand contacted me and they were like, would you like to work with us? And I was like, of course, because I have never done collaboration where food is concerned. I mean, I'm talking about anything outside the skincare makeup bracket. The first time I discovered them was last October. Okay, that's when I started trying their protein bars. I started trying their kale powder, and then I got to know that they were making fresh batches of the mustard seed oil, so I placed my order for that, and their turmeric powder. So I was always looking out for spices that is not basically unadulterated, really high quality, there's no milavat to it. And their turmeric powder, can you see how many bottles Mom and we are hooked onto this turmeric powder because it's of the purest form. So even if we are making Nirvana's food, we use this turmeric powder because I absolutely love it. So if you followed me on Instagram, you must have heard of me mentioned so many times about Urbana Superfood, because every time I need an energy bar or I'm cooking, I always use their stuff, especially the turmeric. Okay, many cooking tutorials I've done on Instagram. But if you've not heard of it, for my YouTube family, I want to take you through this amazing small made in India brand, guys. They're upcoming. They're just providing you high quality ingredients with really good nutritional value. Okay, so there's, like I said, nothing that is mixed. It's just very few products that they have in hand. They're just concentrating on that protein bar. They have a kale powder, barley powder. I think they've got, their chutneys and all. They make it according to what fruits and what vegetables are of that season. And their main focus, primary focus, is the mustard oil that is made in very small batches. Urbana Superfood is an artisan quality superfood company on a mission to generate wide awareness and appreciation for healthy and nutritious food. And they want to provide food with maximum nutritional value, you guys, and free from chemical components that are dangerous to humans and nature. Their agricultural approach advocates the non-usage of GMO, which is very, very important, especially for your food items, that is free from pesticides, from any other harmful chemicals. And that is why they practice organic farming. And their kale powder is of really good quality. Now, kale, as you know, is excellent to boost immunity. It has so many health benefits. It really cleanses the body. It just increases the immunity system. It detoxifies. So adding kale into your diet is excellent. And I have tried a lot of kales and it looks really green. Okay, there's an added color, but this is the color of kale. So with the kale smoothie, you get 30 servings per container. So the serving size is one sachet, which has got 7.5 grams. This is made from 100% kale leaves that are handpicked and turned into fine powder, and it contains all the goodness, 100 grams of fresh kale that you're getting in a powder format. You guys know that kale is known as the queen of greens, and it's one of the most nutrient dense and health boosting plant on the planet. Packed with fiber, protein, iron, calcium, antioxidants, and vitamin A, C, and K. And it also improves gut health, which is extremely important, especially for weight loss. This packs all the goodness. Okay, so if you want to start off your day with this in your breakfast, this in your lunch, it just doesn't matter, as long as you're taking that nutritious value of kale powder, a daily supplement of kale powder some way or another. So you can just use it in your parathas, you can sprinkle it in your pastas, whatever baked dish. Like sometimes when I'm putting eggplants in the oven, I'll sprinkle little kale and salt over it. I even use this on my dal when I'm frying, giving a tadka. I put a packet of kale into that and put it in the dal. It's not too bitter at the same time, but you're getting all the nutritious value out of it. I absolutely highly recommend this. The next favorite thing from Urbana Superfood, which you must try, again I'm mentioning this, One of the best turmeric powder I have ever tried. There's a huge difference between the turmeric that I get from the supermarket, the commercially used one, and this one, you guys. The color, the fragrance, the way it tastes, and best part is it lasts for a very long time. A pinch goes a long way because, like I said, it just adds that rich color to it. This is something I can safely use for my baby. This is something that even we apply in our hot water. We drink it at night. We drink haldi milk with it. Great for, boosting immunity. Great to detoxify. Their Himalayan turmeric just grows in open farms in the lap of Himalaya using traditional farming method. Their turmeric stays in ground for 2 years and then harvested, which is then washed, dried in low temperature, and then powdered. So they do not even extract the valuable turmeric oil from their turmeric root while processing. They use organic fertilizers. They are low temperature dried. They don't use GMO, gluten free. They are vegan, whole food. They are 100% natural. They've got no additives with high curcumin content, and that is what makes this turmeric stand out from the rest. When you use this, you're going to send me a thank you card because you're going to be completely hooked onto this. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, and that is my third favorite, and this is the brown seed mustard oil. Completely unrefined. I'm on bottle number 2. That's how much I love this, okay? And I have placed an order for the third bottle because somehow I want to pack it and take it to UK. Hopefully I'll be able to carry it without it spilling because this is handmade, and it's handmade in small batches. And like I said, when you fry, you make your bhaji or you cook any dish with this brown seed mustard oil, it packs in that flavor without being too pungent or without having that strong flavor of mustard oil. If you're a fan of mustard oil, you'll be a fan of this. If you were never a fan of mustard oil, you'll be a big fan of this, okay? My mom's not a fan of mustard oil, but she loves this. Urbana Superfoods brown seed mustard oil is 100% cold pressed, and it's made from organic mustard seeds grown by the farmers community. This is then processed using traditional cold press extraction method, which maintains the nutrition, the flavor, the natural aroma of the oil, making it ideal for cooking. It's got that low absorption for everyday cooking. The oil can be used to control cholesterol. It reduces the risk of heart disease, and it has a high smoke point, hence it's suitable for deep frying, roasting, baking, and grilling. Brown seed mustard oil is an excellent source of vitamin E, so even for hair growth, this oil is really fantastic, because it is so unrefined and not adulterated. It's organic, it's in the pure form, isn't it, like cold pressed. So even if you want to do a nice head massage with this or a body massage, go for it, you guys. This definitely is my favorite oil at the moment. Thing I want to tell you is, if you want to try out Urbana Superfood and you want to take maybe 1, maximum 2 products from the brand because of how affordable it is, just try out the turmeric and try out the brown seed mustard oil. Once you fall in love with these 2 products, you can try out the rest. And I promise you, you will. Now let's move on to the next favorite product. This was the first thing that I tried from the brand. So these are called True Pops, okay? This is their superfood energy ball, and you get so many various flavors, okay? So I'm talking about mango ginger. I have the one with blueberries and cranberries. Whatever is seasonal in their farm, that's what they make. They've got a beetroot one as well. They've got kale and banana. Their True Pops are raw snack balls for energy that are made with wholesome, simple, high quality ingredients like cashews, dates, coconut flakes, almonds, and they do not contain any sugar, you guys. The sweetness is coming from natural sugar present in the ingredient like dates. It is raw, vegan, gluten-free, got no preservations, no added color, no sugar, like I said. My mother has this like a mid-morning snack, say at around 11 o'clock, when she needs to have something to, make sure that the sugar level doesn't go up. For me, it is something I have with my tea in the evening. At around 4:35 when I'm having a cup of chai, I like to eat this because it adds that little sweet element without, I know that I can enjoy it without any added sugar, and I'm eating something really healthy. So if you are someone that's on a diet and you need something sweet to have, this can be your sweet dish, okay? So you don't have to feel like you're cheating when you're biting onto a chocolate. You just take a bite of this, and this should just give your cravings a satisfaction. I think this is also great for people that is on the go, for office going people, especially if you're on a long journey traveling, because dates is known to, kickstart or basically boost that energy. So this is something that you can definitely enjoy before the gym, after the gym. If you're feeling peckish or you want a little bit of that energy booster, these are the ones that you should reach out for. I wanted to make this video a more vlog style kind of a thing, like more easy breezy. So I'm going to take you through the dish right now, what I make for my daughter, which is also excellent for people who want something really simple, non-spicy. It's almost like a khichdi but with a lot more vegetables. And then I'm also going to show you how I use the oil. Okay, so yeah, let me take you through what I'm making today for my lunch. So we have chopped up our vegetables. So we've got a carrot, one carrot that we have chopped. This is pumpkin. We have taken about quarter pumpkin. We've just chopped it into pieces. Then we have taken 2 potatoes, peeled and chopped. And then we have taken a handful of spinach, finely chopped. Over here we have taken 4 tablespoons of moong dal, which we have washed. So this is all pre-soaked. And then we have taken 4 tablespoons of rice. And then we are going to add Urbana Himalayan turmeric powder. This is our second bottle. We always stock it up. Now all of this goes into the pressure cooker with 2 glasses of water and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric and the salt. And give it about 3 whistles. After about 4 whistles, this is how it looks, nicely mashed. If there's chunky pieces and you've got a baby less than 1 year and you're worried about it, you can just take a potato masher and mash it up further. And then what you do towards the end is just add 1 tablespoon of ghee. So khichdi is made for the baby and I, and to accompany the khichdi, I'm going to make a homemade pickle of ginger, garlic and green chili. This is extremely easy and super delicious using that lovely mustard oil. So I've taken about 1 cup of mustard oil. You heat it up before you add ginger, garlic and green chilies. I've taken a full ginger, about 3 pods of garlic and about 8 green chilies depending on your spice tolerance. You fry it up for about 5 minutes till it's slightly brown in low heat, and then what you do is you add ginger, garlic, green chili paste, which I did grind previously, okay, into a coarse paste. You add that, you fry it up for about, I would say, 5 minutes till the raw smell disappears, and then you add salt as per requirement. Of course, this is a pickle, so you can go a little extra with your salt. And then I added pickle powder. This is homemade pickle powder, which I absolutely love how my mom makes it. You can buy it from any local store as well, but if you want a whole recipe, I can make a whole separate video. And this, you just fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes before you add quarter cup of water. And what the water does is it softens the garlic and the ginger. Okay, so you're not cooking it for a long time. Switch off the gas and then you add the tempering. Okay, so the tempering is basically again 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that I've added a teaspoon of asafoetida, and then you add it to this pickle mixture that is already cooled down, and then you mix it up, let it rest before you bottle it up. Why I love this pickle mixture is not only does it taste superb on it by itself when you have it with khichdi, but if you have those lazy days, you don't know what to cook, you can take 3 tablespoons of this, add thick coconut milk, and you've got a wonderful curry to accompany with white rice. This is supremely delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know in the feedback section what you thought of it. It was my duty to introduce another made in India brand, a small company that needs to grow with your help. Try out one. Try out the turmeric powder, then move on to the oil, then move on to the energy protein bar. Before you know it, you're going to fall in love with all of their products like I have. So all I'm saying is just give them a shot and you are not going to be disappointed. So let me know in the comment section what you thought of this video, and I shall see you when I see you. Until later, bye for now.